How to fix iPhone video stuck on preparing video problem. So if you want to fix your iPhone video stuck on preparing video problem, then what you need to do is the first solution is to double tap the video. So select the video. After selecting, if you have any issues with preparing video problem, then you can double tap the video and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to turn off your iCloud photos. So you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, scroll all the way down, tap on iCloud, and here you need to go and turn off your iCloud. After turning off, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is you need to try a restart. So go and restart your device, and that might fix your problem. Or you can open up your settings again, and under your settings you need to just scroll down, go with general, go with software update, and if you have any updates, then you just need simply go and update it. Make sure that your device is with the latest iOS version. And the last thing you can do is open up your settings and then go with general. Under general, you can scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and then tap on reset and reset all settings. Enter your password and reset. After resetting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.